So we're looking at the building here of 2 Johnson Mill, where we have a 2-bedroom flat, ground floor, which is up for rental now. It's in an old converted industrial mill complex. There's a number of different buildings, each of them with different names. We're looking at Johnson Mill, and Johnson Mill is this building here. And we walk in to the apartment through a communal access. There is parking available with each of these flats, and there's visitor parking as well. You come through that door into an inner hallway, doors leading to the other parts of the accommodation, and we're going through here to look at number 2. So once you're through the communal door to Johnson Mill, you come into the entrance to flat 2, and you walk into a hallway. You see straight away there's lots of exposed brick, which is part of the feature of the old mill building. And here's our hallway accessing all the rooms. Let's start at the end. We'll look in the living room. Lots of exposed brick features. Lovely high ceilings, big windows. We're on a bit of a grey day, so I've got the lights on just so you can see a little bit clearer, but lots of light floods in here normally. We've got a sofa, a couple of chairs, television table, and just a few little items which furnish the property. We've got a little dining table there for 2, and then we come through into the kitchen, and the kitchen's got some base and wall units. We have electric oven, we have a ceramic hob, we have a washing machine here as well, and there's also a small fridge which has got a top freezer compartment. So that's the kitchen and the living room. We'll look at the main bedroom, which is a good sized double. Comes as you see it, bedside cabinets, double bed, bed linen, mattress, and again big high reaching ceilings in this room, bringing out the original features of the old industrial past. And then we have a single bedroom, same theme again with the high ceilings, nice exposed bricks. I'll just show you out the front, if you will. Effectively, this is the side of the mill building, and you go out onto the road there, and there's lots of nice grounds where the mill itself is. And as you can see here, we've got room for a single bed. And then finally, the bathroom, 3-piece suite, comprising of WC, pedestal wash hand basin. We have a bath, and we've got an electric shower over the bath with shower screen. So that's 2 Johnson Mill, lovely 2-bedroomed apartment in a historic old building, ready and available now, furnished and ready to view with hunters.